Yep, got my transmission case back from the machine shop getting it hot tanked. And I found a crack in it right there. So Daddy, that's me, you know who that is gonna weld that up with a aluminum MIG welder. This is an aluminum bit I'm gonna V it out with. This is a bit for steel here, and this is one for aluminum, so the aluminum will fill up a bit like this really easily, so you want to use one like this. And I'll tell you another tip: if you dip it in candle wax while you're working, it will keep it from clogging up. So there's your tip. So I want to V this out and get it ready to weld. Alright, I got it V'd out there with that aluminum bit. And I'm about to aluminum MIG weld it back up. Alright, it's welded up. Now I gotta wire brush it. Alright, I got it wire brush, ground it down. That's how you know it's a good weld, when you got them holes in them. That porosity. No, it's just using a junky MIG welder to do what a TIG welder needs to be doing. So that's good enough for who it's for and what they're paying. So time to put all the guts in out of the one I busted.